Hi children, good morning, especially good morning to the students of class 10th. Yorsha Gyanensha is standing before you with the chapter narration. In narration, I had told you previously two rules, general rules and special rules. In general rules, we had already discussed reporting verb is in past, then reported speech must be changed in corresponding manner. If reporting verb is in past, reported speech in simple present, then you will have to change it into simple past. Present continuous into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. This is called corresponding manner. And if reporting verb is in past and reported speech is also in past, then you will have to change subject plus V2 into subject plus had plus V3. And if you get was and where, either was or where in reported speech, that must be replaced by had been. In the same way, in question, we have to follow some rules, but these rules are called special rules. In special rules, we are having assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So, assertive sentence we have already discussed. Now, today we are discussing question. You may say in another word, interrogatives or interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have to change, you have to change asked, inquired of, questioned, wanted to know. It's not urgent, it's not necessary. If you don't know the real concept, the real meaning of reported speech, you may change, you may replace said to, said into asked. Only this much. And in place of inverted comma, you have to put either if or whether. But remember, if reported speech starts with a helping verb, is, am, or, was, were, have, has, likewise, with any helping verb the sentence starts, there you will use if or whether. But one thing you must keep in your mind, the sentence having helping verb and at last or not is used, then you may use whether. And if you get reported speech with WH made words, no need to keep that, if, whether, nothing else, only WH made must be there. All these words are called linking words. So, in the same way, I have written two examples here. He said to me, did he kill a tiger? He said to me, did he kill a tiger? Said to me must be replaced, must be changed into asked. And reported speech starts with a helping verb. That's why I have written here if. And one thing you know, if you get did, it means subject plus V2. You have to assert first one. Subject plus V2. Your reporting verb is in past and your reported speech is also in simple past. I mean subject plus V2. That must be changed. Subject plus had plus V3. That's why I have written here. He asked me if he had killed a tiger. And in the same sentence, if you get or not. If you get or not, will you help me or not? Can you support me or not? Likewise, if you have some problem, then you may use whether in place of if. And in my last example, I have written, Mohan said to me, why were you wasting the time? Everything is likewise. Said to must be replaced by asked. And WH made word, we don't change. It must not be changed. WH made, I have written here. And you know, second person, according to subject, object. First person, I would change according to subject. Second person, according to object. That's why you must be changed according to object. In object we are having me. That's why I have written I. And one thing you must follow, was or were. In change into had been. That's why I have written had been. Wasting that time. One thing you must keep in your mind before changing interrogative sentence, reported speech, into indirect speech. First of all, you have to assert reported speech. You have to make the reported speech into assertive sentence. Though it may be positive, though it may be negative, it doesn't matter. But you have to assert, you have to make it assertive sentence. So with this, I conclude my lecture, I conclude my class. In my next class, I will tell you optative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. But in CBSE, only you have to read imperative sentence. But I will tell you something more about other aspects as well. So thank you very much. Thank you once again for being with us.